Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix internet not working after Windows 10 update. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Troubleshoot, open Troubleshoot settings. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now you will see internet connections, click on Run. Now follow the instruction which you see in display. Now close it and restart. And guys, still you are facing error after restart, so scroll down and click on Network and Internet. So in System, Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings, and here is the option Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings, and click on Reset Now. And after reset, just restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps and reset your network, hopefully this internet not working problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 11. So please comment, share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.